Arav scrolled and scrolled. Hours vanished in TikTok loops, while his assignment stared back at him, half done, mocking. His phone buzzed like it owned him, and every time he tried to focus, his mind wandered. Texts, memes, random, important notifications. He hated how easy it was to procrastinate, yet every night he promised, "Tomorrow I'll be different." But tomorrow came and the cycle repeated. He missed deadlines, he flopped tests. Friends told him, just try harder, but harder felt impossible. He felt trapped in his own habits, ashamed but too tired to fight. Then one rainy evening, Arav found an old notebook in his drawer. The pages were blank, except for a sticky note on top. Start small. 10 minutes. Something about that note clicked. He decided to write one thing, just one, every day. No pressure, just 10 minutes of focus. The first day he wrote 2 lines, the second a paragraph. Slowly the notebook grew and so did his confidence. The phone still buzzed, but he learned to put it face down. The blank pages became a candle, guiding him through the fog of distraction. Every tiny step mattered more than he realized. Weeks later, a huge project loomed, a presentation that would count for half his grade. His friends panicked. Arav opened his notebook. 10 minutes a day had taught him rhythm, patience, and momentum. He delivered the project flawlessly, feeling the calm strength of someone who had learned the power of small, consistent action. Arav realized the truth. Big change doesn't hit like lightning. It starts with a spark nurtured quietly every day. The notebook was proof that he could control his focus, 1 minute at a time.